So good morning all. എല്ലാവരും വീട്ടിലിരുന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ ലേൺ അറ്റ് ഹോം എന്നുള്ള രീതിയിൽ എല്ലാവരും വളരെ എക്സൈറ്റഡ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. സോ എനിക്കും ചെറിയൊരു എക്സൈറ്റ്മെൻ്റ് ഉണ്ട്, ലൈക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ ഇരുന്ന് തന്നെ പഠിപ്പിക്കാമെന്നുള്ളത്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ബിഗിൻ. സോ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് കാണാൻ പോകുന്നത് അഡ്വാൻസ്ഡ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം എന്ന സബ്ജക്റ്റിലെ മോഡ്യൂൾ 5 ഒരു സെഷനാണ് നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് കാണാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇന്നൊരു 7 പീരീഡുകളുണ്ട്. 7 പീരീഡിൽ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇതിനെ ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്യാം, പല അസൈൻമെൻറ്റ്സും ഉണ്ട്. സോ ലെറ്റ്സ് ബിഗിൻ എ ഇൻട്രൊഡക്ഷൻ സെഷൻ ഓഫ് അഡ്വാൻസ്ഡ് കമ്മ്യൂണിക്കേഷൻ സിസ്റ്റം ഓഫ് KTU. Okay.
Advanced communication system. In this 5th module, we can divide into 2 sections. The first section can be called as cellular system design, and the second one can be called as wireless propagation models. So if you see these 2 sections, the best way to refer all these things with 2 textbooks. The first one is Theodore S. Rappaport, The Wireless Communication Principle and Practice, and the second one is Mobile Cellular Communication by G.S. Rao. You can, as a beginners, you can just refer the second textbook, that is Mobile Cellular Communication of G.S. Rao. I have already given these 2 textbooks as soft copies. So apart from the PPT, you kindly refer the textbooks, that is Mobile Cellular Communication by G.S. Rao. It's very simple and light. So the next thing is, if you see the first topic, the cellular concept, like that cellular concept is a sense that you excuse me for the background noise, as I am staying near roadside. Okay, so like gets back, the cellular concept deals with the mobile range, or if you are having a BTS or the tower, what is the area of that particular region. So we call that as a cell. So that is a cellular concept, how the cellular geometry happens. That is a beautiful topic. So there in cellular concept, you will deal with how you can split cells or sector cells, including repeaters, and the concept of microcells. So these are the concepts of cellular, where you can increase the capacity of a cell. So the coverage as well as the capacity, how you can improve that upon. So that is mainly covering of cellular concept. I say that is a very good topic, and it's consistently being asked in university as well. So to moving to the next section, we have cellular system design fundamentals, where we will see about the frequency reuse. That is a common terminology, frequency reuse, that is also asked for university. So the frequency reuse is how effectively you can use the spectrum allocated to you. So how you can use frequency, whether you can use it right away, or you can use it after a spatial distance. So we will see how you can reuse the frequency of that. Then how you are next thing is the channel assignment strategies. So how well you can assign a channel for a particular system. So that is deal with the channel assignment strategy. You can check on that as well. And next one is a handoff strategy. I already told you about the handoff and handover. Both are same actually. One is the US and one is UK. So if you are asked with either handoff or handover, it's actually quite same thing. So we already discussed about soft handover, hard handover, make and break connection, etc. So you can just see the basics of that. You can go to that as well. Though hence then we will talk about interference and the system capacity, where interference is that frequency interference, and how it affects capacity of the signal, capacity of the system, the GOS, grade of service. And finally, important thing is the improving coverage area and capacity of the system, where you can use the cellular concept of cell splitting, sectoring, repeaters, and microcell. Okay, that is the important thing. Then the final part, I told that this module is divided into 2 parts. One is the system, that is cellular system design, and the next one is wireless propagation models. So next one that we are going to see is the wireless propagation models we have, that is free space, ground reflection, knife edge, path of prediction. Okay, these are the techniques. And what are the different diversity techniques that we can employ? That we already seen a few diversity techniques in year previous year. Compared to that, we can have a revision of that. Then finally, you will be introduced with massive input, massive output system, that is MIMO system. So we will talk about the basic architecture of the MIMO system, how it can be, or what is the basic thing that is required. So after referring the PPT, you can just go and check the textbook, that is a Mobile Cellular Communication by G.S. Rao. It explains beautifully this all modules, so you will have a overall idea of this module 5, which is actually beautifully explained in that particular textbook. If you refer that textbook, it's well and good, and you can always attend any question that is being asked in university as well as you can increase the knowledge of basic mobile concepts. Okay. So that is the main thing as for now, and good luck for learning this subject by the interactive learning. And if you have any queries and all, you can just put a voice clip or just type that in your WhatsApp group. I will, when I have a time, I will get back to you each one and one. Okay. And the assignments and the learning process evaluation starts by 12, and you can submit by today 8 o'clock, all other things. So each one has each deadline, so kindly refer to that and you do